Hello guys, Brko Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $90,000 on YouTube with just 1 hour of work. So guys, this is going to be the craziest video I have ever made on this YouTube channel. So I really suggest you guys to watch this video till end and make sure to press that like button if you like the video. Also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. And if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how to make money online, how you can start your online business if you don't know where to begin, if you don't know anything, or even if you have some experience, I really suggest you guys to watch the free video. The link will be in the description. So you just need to enter your email address and I'm going to send you guys the link where you're going to see the best way to make money online. So I really suggest you guys to check that out. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So today's video is going to be about live streaming. So a lot of you guys don't know that you can make a lot of money with live streaming. And right here you can see this is Google Chrome dinosaur game. So when you don't have internet connection, you can play this game. And you can see that this live stream is playing for around 180 days. And this guy set this up in less than 30 minutes. So this guy didn't, he's not playing this game. He set it up just to play, just bought to play the game. And I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it. So right here you can see this video has 858,000 likes. And this video, I have checked it out, it has over 30 million views. So if you calculate that, 30 million views times $3 per 1,000 views divided by 1,000 views, that is $90,000 just from 1 hour of work. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set this up, and you can see right now it has only 21 people that are watching right now at this moment. But if we check out this new live stream, I wanted to show you guys this method because it is really crazy. You can see this guy started streaming 6 hours ago, and right now there is 6,583 people watching this moment, and you can see the number is rising really high and really fast. So guys, this video is going to get around 1 million views in less than 24 hours. So again, this live stream was started 6 hours ago, and you can see the numbers rising, and these are not views, these are number of the people that are watching this moment. And I'm going to show you guys how you can take advantage of this method and make a lot of money. You can see this number is really high. I don't know how he's getting so many views, so many watching people at this moment, because he can make just from AdSense a lot of money. So a lot of you guys don't know that you can make money from AdSense with live streaming. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. And you can see almost 1,000 people got into this live stream while I was showing you guys this method. So again, this video is probably going to get over 2 million views in less than 24 hours. So guys, there are a lot of different games. Also, you can see 582,000 likes. This video probably has around, I think that this video has around 50 million views when I last checked it. And also there are a few streams of income that you can create from these videos. Right here you can see donations. So people can actually donate you money, and that is how you can also create second stream of income, guys. So again, you're not going to play the game, you're going to set the bot to play the game for you. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So the first thing, I'm going to show you guys how you can play the game. So this is the game, and you can see you can jump over the obstacles right here. So you're going to fail if you play this game. There is going to be one point when you're going to lose. So I'm going to show you guys this website I'm going to show you guys right here, and I'm also going to put it on the screen so you can see what is the website that I'm showing you guys. So you can go and activate the bot. So what this means, you're not going to play the game is going to play itself, and you can go and run live stream for 365 days, and you can make tons of money just by playing this live stream. So let's try it out. Bot activated. Let's restart. So you can see it is going to play itself, and this is really amazing method. I'm going to leave it just for a few seconds so you can see that this is really possible, guys. So I don't need to play the game. It is going to do it by itself. And what you should also do is you should also zoom in this game. So right here, you can zoom in because we're going to live stream it and you don't want to make it that small. So right here, we have zoomed it in. And now, guys, so you can see when we deactivate the bot, it is going to fail. So just to show you guys. So that is it. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go and run a live stream for this game. So if you go on YouTube and you click on your channel, you need to enable the live streaming. So I have done on this channel live streaming. I don't know if you saw it, but when you enable right here, you can see live streaming. You want to enable it, click on enable, and when you're done with that, click on right here live streaming. So right here you can see I have played the live stream, and you can see monetize. So you can monetize with ads your live stream. So again, a lot of you guys didn't know that. So if you want to see more videos like these, guys, make sure to press that like button and also subscribe, because we are uploading some crazy methods on this channel, how to make money on YouTube. So you don't want to miss that out. So you can see you can change the thumbnail, you can put the information, you can put the title, you can put description of the video, and you can schedule your live stream. Also, you can put some cards, streaming options, and when you're done with that, go on live control room. So right here, when you click that, you're going to see where you're going to put your title, and you can just create your stream. So you can also enable monetization, so you can make some money from it. Again, a lot of you guys didn't know that you can make money from live streaming, so this is one of the craziest methods. And just to show you guys some of the numbers, let's see it. 9,000 people watching right now this game getting played. So you can't even imagine how much money this guy is making for every single minute, not every single not every single hour, but every single minute this guy is making around I don't know, I can't really tell, but he's making a lot of money from this live stream. So just go and create live stream. If you want to see, guys, how to do live streams step by step, make sure to leave a comment down below that you want to see how to do it step by step if you don't know. But I really suggest you guys to try it yourself. Try to create your own live stream alone. You're going to maybe fail in the beginning, but if you want to see me how to do it step by step, make sure to leave a like on this video and make sure to leave a comment down below saying like, show us how to do a live stream, guys. So that is going to be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button, subscribe, and that is basically it. So again, this is the website right here. You can see what you type in your Google Chrome or whatever you're using, and just go play the game, try it out and see if it is going to fail. After it fails, you're going to activate the bot and you're going to press play. So when you press play, it is going to play it by itself. And you also want to zoom in like this. If you don't want to show this bot activated, you can also zoom in and show like this so people don't see it, but it really doesn't matter. In my opinion, and you can see this game is playing by itself. And that is it for today's video, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys soon.